Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the QQH Portable Monitor. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Hey guys, so this is the portable monitor from QQH. And yeah, let's take a look inside the box. First off, in this little bag here, we have the adapter, the wall adapter plug-in. Here's the device itself with some instructions. Very thin and compact. Comes with a wire to plug it in, as well as a USB-C cable and an HDMI cable. And so yeah, let's go set this up and see how it works. The QQH monitor is a 15.6-inch portable screen for laptops and other devices. With a 1080p resolution and 60Hz IPS LCD screen, you can enjoy all kinds of content in high quality. The HDR mode enhances the color of content, especially with games, as well as an adjustable low blue light filter to take care of your eyes during long sessions. There is also no drivers required, so it's ready to use. And the device can also be used in portrait mode, so you can change it to however you like. The monitor is also fully featured with USB-C Type-C ports with Thunderbolt, so you can get high-definition transmission of video signals, helping to boost your productivity anytime and anywhere. On the side, it features 2 USB-C ports and 1 mini HDMI port, so it can connect with a variety of different devices and more when using an adapter or USB hub. The monitor is compatible with your PC, phone, tablet, game console, TV, and much more. It also features a strong and durable metal alloy design around the whole body. It's also super lightweight and thin, weighing only 1.5 pounds and with a thickness of just 0.3 inches. So you can easily hold it and slip it into your handbag, making it perfect for those on the go or getting work done while you travel. The monitor also comes with a foldable kickstand, which is super easy to set up and use whenever you'd like. It also comes equipped with 3.5mm audio inputs, helping to make things more convenient. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the QQH Portable Monitor today. See you.